Today we're going to draw a yummy and colorful ice cream in a glass. So grab your marker and let's get started.
Welcome to tinyhandsart.
First, I draw a glass cup. This is the container holding our delicious ice cream. Now I draw the ice cream swirls. Look at those soft, yummy layers. And don't forget the cute umbrella beside the cream swirl. It's like a beach treat. Now draw a cherry on top with a little stem, perfect finishing touch. Then I add some lines that look like ice cream sprinkles. They make it even more fun. Wow, our drawing is complete. Time to add some color to our drawing. First, I pick cyan for the glass cup. It looks so cool and fresh. Then, I pick maroon and apply it to one part of the cream swirls. Yum! Now, I pick pink for another part of the cream. So sweet and pretty. Then I use red for one part of the umbrella and also for the cherry. Bright and tasty. Lastly, I use green for another part of the umbrella. It looks so colorful now. Our glittery ice cream drawing looks amazing. If you had